Hey guys, welcome back
to Clannah's App Hero Games.
Yep, we're doing more Mario Kart 8.
Yep, you know it. Which cup are you thinking of doing this time?
Hey! Yeah, I can see there's Yoshi and the princess.
Yes. Are we gonna do 2-player or 3-player?
I think we'll do 3-player if it's up to. Do you want to do it?
I would, yeah.
Yeah, we have Cosmo.
So we have this awesome dude here.
Yep.
Having dinner with us. His name's Cosmo, and he's like really rad. He's out of this world.
Yeah. It's the second gaming video having him there.
Yeah.
You couldn't really hear him too well in the previous video of Mario Kart.
Well, hello, everyone.
Yeah, so you can hear him a lot better.
Do we want 150?
Yes.
Let's do it. Your controller's right here.
So, yeah, right now I'm pretty sure.
Oh, snap, it's on. Okay.
Okay. I think it'll be, Roy.
Oh, okay.
It's been a while since I've played him. I don't think I ever played him before on a gaming video of Mario Kart. Yeah! Oh yeah, you press the plus button, Cosmo.
To see the stats.
Yeah.
Yes.
Those
But
are
I
pretty
already
nice.
know what I want.
That's a nice feature.
You're the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, 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 honey.
Yeah.
Oh no, what is happening to my controller? Alright, 1 second.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
It's good to
Turn
have.
up the volume so you can hear it.
Yeah. Turning up the volume so you guys can hear it. Alright, yeah, there's a cup I've been thinking to do.
Which one? The banana? The leaf? Lightning?
This one here.
Woo! I love the lightning cup.
Yeah,
Interesting.
yeah, most of the rounds are really cool looking.
So just so you know, I'm player 3, Cosmo's player 2, and
Yeah,
Zapping is Hero is player 1.
Yep.
And
I'm terrified.
Yeah. This is the TikTok one.
Let's do this.
Hold on. There we go.
And I'm off.
Someone stole my thing!
Tick tock goes the clock.
Till we see the doctor.
Yeah.
Oh no! That was such a rookie mistake!
In case you're wondering, I was humming that new song by Gamma, which I know some people didn't like much, but I think it's kind of interesting.
Oh, Snapple. Nuh-uh. Not on my watch.
Yes, power up. Woo! Shoot.
I saw it flashing. Blah, 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 blah.
And I'm using the mushroom power speed ups.
Yes. alive! I could fly!
Wow, looks like you're in first place. Lucky you.
Oh snap, no. Not today.
Tick.
No, yes! Okay, okay! I thought I was gonna lose first place, so I just died.
Tickety tockety tick. Tick.
Come on, Cosmo, you got this. You can do it. I have faith in you.
Actually gonna save the power.
Go up to 7. You can do it.
Yeah.
At least you didn't get to 9th, though.
It was a bad outing.
Bad outing.
Bad out. Oh my gosh.
Noise.
Noise.
Noise. And on to the next one.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's me,
Yeah.
Mario.
We also want to apologize for the lack of another of uploading a video on our channel itself.
It's been crazy, but we're here now, so
Yeah.
there's that.
Oh yeah, this one.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah. This is the roundup where I was mentioning about where I mentioned that song "Roller Coaster" by Ariana Maxeller.
Oh
It was fun
yeah.
to play this round while listening at the same time.
That's right. Forgot.
Yeah. Just with the first and third drop. Not the middle drop though, but
Oh, it's so hard to see.
don't take me down.
Oh, I hate this one.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Shoot.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I got it. So.
Oh jeez. This is not going well. This is not going well.
I really like this part of the level
No!
too. Just the look of it.
I hate this one so much. Oh no.
Crap.
Heh. Because the thing is, you need like a heavy car for this one, and that's something I just never use. I never use the heavy cars. I'm always one for the bikes. Bicycle, bicycle, want to ride my bicycle. Bicycle, I want to ride my bicycle. Want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I'd like to ride it when I like.
Yeah, it's from that funny person which my sisters grew up with over the years named Tim Hawkins.
Oh my gosh, no, that's actually a Queen song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Queen, you guys.
Okay.
It does sound like something Tim Hawkins would like. It does. Because Tim Hawkins is awesome and would like Queen.
Yeah.
This is just a fact. Known to man. Okay, fly, let's go, let's go. Onwards! Let's make up for that bad thing, Clannah, let's go. Oh no, I'm doing the exact opposite of that.
I think we're probably gonna lose for sure.
Whee! Don't know until you tried, though.
Oh.
No! It's that turn, it always gets me, man. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh.
This is terrible.
I know. This is a disaster.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm an 8.
Yeah.
This is not. This is a sad day. This is a sad day for Mario Kart kind.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indubitably.
Oh my gosh, listen to. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Ah, 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 ah.
No.
Holding down
Well,
10.
not really the best part on that.
Making my way
in terms
down,
of not learning, but
faces past
Um,
and home.
we will see you on part 2.